Hello, my name's Daniel Cielo, and I'm the Service Manager here at Pros Renton Hyundai. And today, I'd like to take a couple moments to talk about the importance of the in-cabin air filter. I have two examples of in-cabin air filters in front of me. One of them is the brand new right out the box in-cabin air filter, and here's one that's been in a vehicle for 15,000 miles. As you can tell, it's pretty dirty. We do recommend to replace these cabin filters every 15,000 miles because there are so many things in the air that can get triggered and brought into the vehicle when you're just driving down the road, driving down the freeway. You have dust, you have pollen, you have dirt, you have VOCs. These can all add to allergies and irritants while you're driving down the road. These are something that we always inspect on each of our electronic multi-point inspections, which are complimentary, no cost at every visit that you bring in your car. If you do have any questions about this or our electronic multi-point inspection, feel free to give me a call or any of my friendly staff at 425-226-1275. Thank you.